Make a great choice today with the 2022 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.